These are purple mangosteens. So they are a small fruit like this, not related to mangoes. They have this cute little flower on the bottom, and they have a hard shell like this. They're very delicate on the inside. They have seeds, so it's hard to get the flesh off. Most of these are going to have seeds. They're a little bit older. That's why there's that brown there. Most of them would normally be this white if you had them fresh, but obviously they don't grow around here. Mostly they grow in Asia, so they're shipped. All right, so let's go ahead and try it. Okay, looks like that. Okay, so this one didn't have a seed, so I can just eat the whole thing. It tastes like a grape. It's very flavorful. It kind of has that texture of the grape with lots of matter, but still breaks down pretty easy. Let's try one with a seed because those are a little bit different. So this one might not have a seed either. Nope, this one doesn't have a seed either. Okay, so like I was saying, tastes like texture of a grape, tastes kind of like a grape. And it also tastes like a lychee, maybe with some slight mango, undertones of like strawberry. They are really good, and if you have access to them, they are wonderful to try. They're expensive, but I would definitely say go ahead and give it a shot if you see them. All right, have a great day, guys.